Okay, I'm going to demonstrate how to download and set up the employee attendance log processor script on your local machine and run it using the Python language. Okay, first of all, you have to clone the repository on your local system. So I'm going to clone it on my local system using the command line Python's PowerShell. So to clone this repository, just head over to the commands git clone and paste the repository link and hit enter, and it will automatically clone the repository on your local machine. You must have to get installed on your system. Let me refresh the desktop system. As you can see, the employee attendance log processor system is already in place. So I'm going to change the directory by following the command cd to the employee, and I'm just going to write the small part of it and hit tab. It will automatically fill for you, I hope. uh, why it's not working? Let's say cd employee. Okay, first it's working and hit enter. You will just change the directory to that and create a virtual environment if you have installed Python already. Let me go to the cloned directory and run the command pym ven, which means using Python's standard built-in virtual environment library to create a virtual environment on this directory. So I'm going to hit enter, and it will create a virtual environment automatically for me on the current directory. Okay, the virtual environment already created, as you can see here, and I'm going to activate by running this this command and hit enter. The virtual environment is already activated. Here is the indicator that virtual environment is running. Okay, first of all, I am going to install all required packages, which is listed on the requirements.txt file. So I'm going to run pip install r requirements.txt, and hit enter. It will automatically install all the packages listed on this requirements file, and as you can see, it's just using cache, my local cache, because I have already installed those files on my local machine before developing the project, before developing the script, and it's going now, it's installing. It's so faster. Also, alternatively, you can use uv package manager, which is built on top of rust language. It will give you more power and speed. Okay, package is already installed. Let me clear the screen by running the command cls, and let me refresh. Okay, and also I'm going to delete the output folder so that I can clear the output folder again. I think it's open already. Close it, and I'm going to open it again. Okay, I just have deleted the version, and I'm going to run actual script which will process the entire logs available inside the attendance logs dot log file. You can also use csv or something other else. I'm just going to use this one. It has almost 10,000 rows, so I'm going to run the py uh, process attendance.py script. It's, as you can see, this one is the main script on this project. So I'm going to run it, and it will take the processor and utilities and other functions from that. As I hit enter, as you can see, the very nice looking console logs and the actual summary at a glance, uh, right inside the console, developed by Inventor Software Limited, and it is just processed in milliseconds, actually, because I use Pandas and NumPy, which is very faster library, is already built in Python and available in the Python package index as a package to be installed. And I install it, then I use them, and it uses hash table and binary search. So the system is so faster, powerful, and often more productive time complexity and space complexity as well. So as you can see, I was deleted the output folder, and it's regenerated here, because I have regenerated, and the logs are showing there. That's those output files are regenerated. Let me view one file. As you can see, the csv, json, and xlx files is also available and generated. I am going to view only the JSON for now, and as you can see, the JSON summary is available there. Here it is, sorted by date first of all, then sorted by employee ID after that, and it's very clean and locative, no garbage there. Let me close it, and as again the summary, as you see, the summary is inside. Average working hours early exist, no early exist, no late entries, days cover for 30, and for the data is for 30 unique employees, and total records uh, actually available 900. Actually, we have just summarized or evaluated 900 records. Um, that's what is actually showing there. Thank you for today. If you have any trouble or running the script, or if you feel any issue, you can raise issue on my GitHub repositories issues panel or issues tab, and I will answer you. Also, if you want to contribute, you can create a contributor or pull request inside that. You can fork the repository also. Thank you. Thank you so much.